Here, you can analyze any YouTube thumbnail. Suppose you've already created a thumbnail and want to check how well it can perform. Simply upload your thumbnail here, then click Analyze Thumbnail. The AI will analyze your thumbnail and predict its performance. As you can see, my thumbnail has received a high CTR rating, which means it has a strong potential to achieve a high click-through rate compared to competing thumbnails. Now, let's compare it with a competitor's thumbnail. Click A/B Thumbnail Comparison. Next, upload your competitor's thumbnail and click Compare Thumbnails. The AI will compare both thumbnails based on design, visual appeal, readability, and click potential. As you can see, my thumbnail outperformed my competitor's thumbnail. If your thumbnail loses the comparison or has any weaknesses, don't worry. The AI will generate a detailed improvement prompt explaining exactly what needs to be changed to make your thumbnail more clickable. Simply click Copy Prompt. Then paste that prompt into any AI image generation or AI thumbnail creation tool. The AI will use those instructions to generate an improved version of your thumbnail. This is how you can use the AI Thumbnail Analyzer to create more attractive thumbnails and improve your video's click-through rate.